Hi all. So after class today, someone asked me about how to get the textbook through the library. So I just wanted to take a second to show you how exactly to do it. Okay, so just have a plain old web browser up here. So I'm just going to navigate to the Miami Library website. So it's lib.miamioh.edu. Okay, so press return. So now I'm at the library's website, and I'm going to search for Matsoukas. Okay, so Matsoukas is the author of the book, and I think it's the only Matsoukas book that we have. So if I just type Matsoukas and search, okay, so I get two hits, right? The first two. So one is there's the actual physical book that you can go and get at the library, which is still available. So if you want a physical textbook, be the first one to go to the library and pick it up. The first hit, though, is for the electronic version. So if I just click on this link, connect to electronic book, okay, it's going to open up Safari Books. Okay, and so while that's opening, so on campus it should just work. Well, it's still going to make me log in. I was about to say that if you're off campus and you don't have a Miami IP address, or so if you're not using a VPN, they'll probably make you log in. So that way it authenticates that I'm a Miami student. And look at that, I'm in. So it just drops me right in chapter 1. Okay, so I click that drop down. You can scroll around. I don't know if these times are like how long it should take you to read something or what. Looks like they're pretty fast readers if you ask me. But if I want to go to, say, chapter 2, which we're looking on right now, drops me right into chapter 2. You could do things like change your font sizes. I don't know, you can expand things out, narrow it up depending on your screen. Cloudy mode, so if you want to change your reading mode, night mode, right? Yeah, it's limitless. Whether or not there's any other options, so it looks like you can do things like highlighting. So I should say, okay, it looks like I have no highlighting, but you can go ahead and you can play with all those options and see what actually saves. Honestly, I'm not sure, but for the purpose of this class, I know that you can read the book for free, and so this is only for Miami students. If you're in the state of Ohio, it should also work because it should be a resource through Ohio Link. But for class, you don't need the textbook for an exam or anything. The problems will be at the end of each chapter will be, for the most part, from the text, but I'll type those up for you. But you should read the book. I think it's a good book. That's why it's the course text. But don't feel compelled to go out and buy it. I would imagine for most of you that the ability to read it online should be perfectly sufficient. And who doesn't want to save some money, right? But the whole book's there. On the Canvas site, I have the appendices scanned up, but there's even the appendices, so all the steam tables and everything that you can go and get. Okay, so there it is. Take advantage of it. For your other courses, I might check to see if there's an electronic version of that too. So if I hold it up, so I have a copy of the text behind me. So it's one of these yellow Prentice Hall books. So for the most part, when I checked a few years ago, all of these yellow books you could get through the library's website at no cost, which was the main reason for adopting one of these yellow books. Okay. And so with that, I will stop this recording.